Hey, honestly, it's true for new freelancer. Navigate the Upwork platform can be daunting. I already earn more than 100k USD here. I really respect Upwork and their discipline. In 2007, Upwork had about 12 million registered freelancer and 5 million registered client. But as per current situation, 35 million American now in Upwork and approximately 21 million Indian now in Upwork. Just forget the other country. So, as per calculation, I think less than 1% chance for getting a new job as a new freelancer. Actually, I'm sure you already check about portfolio building, building a reputation, proposal writing, time management, communication skill, blah blah blah. Actually, I'm not going to the topic. Okay, so first, what I suggest you can try with your friend who work with Upwork and request him to give any sort of project. This is the best way to start work with Upwork. And for Indian freelancer, there have more than thousand plus company who work with Upwork. Just search on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. You will get several connections, several lead. Even I can also help. Just message me in here. Second step, uh, if you have already profile in Fiverr or freelancer, just keep good relation with the client and request for use Upwork instance of Fiverr or freelancer. I think this will work if you have really good relation with the client. And the third option, I really personally do not want to use it. Actually, Upwork robot work with AI and machine language. So I have a chance they will catch you. And if they catch you, they will ban. Use this option when actually nothing is work and you are ready to quit. Okay. So you have to convince your friend or any family member and make sure their surname is different. Just explain the situation and request to help. If accept, then check the Upwork policy once again as a buyer perspective. Actually, Upwork headquarters is basically California based, and most of the California based company terms and condition very critical to understand. Okay, and everything is ready. Now go to minimum 73 kilometers away from your home, where GPS location totally different from your working computer. In Bangladesh, 16 crore active connection and 28,000 I think tower across the country, and approximately typically cell tower around 45 miles. So it's equivalent to exactly 73 kilometer. Actually, in Bangladesh, if you like to go with the PayPal, it's very tough to crack the NID because for Indian, PAN card is enough to create an account with PayPal, or if you have the GST, then very simply. But for Bangladesh, I suggest you visa with Standard Chartered Bangladesh. I think Standard Chartered Bangladesh headquarters in Dhaka. They offer actually visa card. So create your profile perfectly as a buyer perspective. Then I'll show you, not a issue. Under billing section, you can manage billing method button. There is a button and add Standard Chartered Bangladesh visa card. I'm 100% sure it actually work. Okay, just click on sign up button here. Okay, here you can just select I am a client hiring for a project. This one. Join as a client. Okay, as soon you finish, you will get a page something like this page. Here you can see there have an option billing and payment method. Okay, under billing and payment method, there have a button add a billing method. This one actually. Okay, here just add your payment card, uh, standard chartered payment card here, Visa, and verify it. It will charge something and not issue it. It will return back. Okay, just verify it and post project whatever you want. Actually, at the time of posting project, just check very clearly what is your skill basically. Suppose you are SEO developer and you are posting project something like the web security. So in future, nothing is work actually. So better just keep your target which platform actually you would work in mobile technology, web-based technology, SEO, marketing, whatever. Just keeping your project something like same actually. Okay. Okay, boss. If still, if any kind of issue, just message me. And I personally request everybody, please subscribe my channel because give my best to post video every month, and I'll give my best to clear query whatever you have. Subscribe my channel and message me. I will be online and definitely I will message you. Okay. Okay, bye. ওকে বাংলাদেশি কেমন আছো? আমি কলকাতা। সো বস কিছু হলে মেসেজ করবে অ্যান্ড চেষ্টা করব আমি আমার বেস্ট দেওয়ার জন্য। তোমরা চেষ্টা করো। আমার অনেক ইউজার আছে তোমাদের ওখান থেকে আমি তাদেরকে দিয়ে এসইওর কাজ করাই। আমার কাছে এসইও কাজ থাকে। তোমাদের রেটটাও কম আছে। বেসিক্যালি ফিলিপাইন্সের সাথে তোমাদের রেটের বিশাল কিছু ডিফারেন্স নেই। আমি চেষ্টা করব বাংলাদেশে যার ভাই যারা আছে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি এখন মার্কেট কন্ডিশন not up to the mark. So just subscribe my channel. If I have any kind of option, I will definitely help you. Okay. Until then, best of luck and God bless everybody. Thank you.